Winds north 4 miles per hour. Barometer 30.12 rising. Weather sunny. Ambrose south, winds northwest 12 knots. Air temperature 55. Wave height 2 feet. 20 miles south of Fire Island, the winds northwest 16 knots. Air temperature 58. Water temperature 58. Wave height 3 feet. The metropolitan area, we have sunny skies. Temperature mid-40s to mid-50s. Southeastern New York, sunny skies, temperature in the high 30s to mid-40s. East of Pennsylvania, southern New Jersey, sunny skies, temperatures in the low 40s to low 50s. Repeating the 7 a.m. reading, temperature 52, humidity 61. Winds north 4 miles per hour, barometer 30.12 rising, weather sunny. The rain forecast from West Hill Road out from Montauk Point, Grand Inlet, New Jersey, extending 20 miles offshore and including Long Island Sound. For today, winds northwest 15 to 20 knots, diminishing to 15 knots or less during the afternoon. Seas 2 to 4 feet on the ocean, 2 to 3 feet on the sound. Tonight, winds light and variable. Seas 2 to 3 feet on the ocean and 2 feet or less on the sound. Then for Monday, winds becoming south and to 15 knots, increase to 15 to 20 knots. Building to 3 to 5 feet on the ocean and 2 to 4 feet on the sound. There is a chance of showers late in the day, lowering visibility to between 1 and 3 miles. The forecast for south and west great south chance cascading out to 1,000 fathoms. Today, northwest winds 15 to 25 knots, seas 4 to 8 feet. Tonight, northwest winds 15 to 20 knots early, becoming variable 15 knots or less later on. Seas 3 to 6 feet. For Monday, winds becoming south. 20 knots, seas 3 to 6 feet. Fixed high tide at Stadium 4:16 this afternoon, at Willits Point 7:01 this morning and 7:40 this evening, and at the north end of Montauk 4:07 this afternoon. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in New York City. No weather radio transmitters are KPO 35 and 162.55 MHz at Rockefeller Center, and WXM 80 and 162.475 MHz at Riverhead, Long Island. This is the early morning broadcast for Sunday, May 30th. A large high-pressure system centered over the Great Lakes this morning will go directly across the tri-state region. As such, we can expect mostly clear skies and rather pleasant temperatures to prevail today through tonight. Monday, we'll see the weather taking a turn for the worse. A rapidly developing low-pressure system is forecast to approach us from the west. At this time, we do believe that a good part of Memorial Day will remain rain-free, with the chances of precipitation not becoming terribly significant until very late in the day. Memorial Day, however, will see increasing climates that will lower and thicken as the day progresses. In addition, the mercury will be hard-pressed to break into the 70s due to the clouds and a developing onshore wind flow. Therefore, the forecast for northern New Jersey, southeastern New York, Long Island, and extreme southwestern Connecticut. For today, sunny, highs in the low to mid-70s, except around 70 over eastern Long Island. For tonight, mostly clear, lows in the 50s, except for mid-40s well inland. Then for Memorial Day, increasing climates with the chance of late day showers. It will be cooler, with highs in the mid-60s to around 70 degrees, lower 60s over eastern Long Island. The next regularly scheduled forecast will be issued by 11 o'clock this morning. Looking at the extended forecast for the tri-state area, for Monday night and Tuesday, there is a chance of showers, lows in the 50s, highs in the mid-60s to mid-70s. Wednesday, fair skies expected, lows in the 50s, highs in the 60s. And for Thursday, fair skies once again, lows in the mid-40s to mid-50s, highs 70 to 75.
Now? None of you.
The following is the agricultural forecast for northern New Jersey, interior southeastern New York State, and Long Island. Rainfall amounts unexpected for today or tonight, and then 1/10 inch or less possible late in the day Monday. The probability of precipitation near 0% today and tonight, increasing to 30 to 40% for late Monday. Spring winds northwest 10 to 15 miles per hour today, light and variable Monday morning, then south around 15 miles per hour and gusty Monday evening. To 35 to 40 today, mid-40s tonight, upper 40s to lower 50s Monday. Relative humidity across northern New Jersey and interior southeastern New York State, 25 to 35% this afternoon, 85 to 95% tonight, 50 to 60% Monday afternoon. Humidity Long Island, 25 to 35% this afternoon, 85 to 95% tonight, and 55 to 65% Monday afternoon. Some moderate dew is expected for tonight, and then wetting through showers is possible Monday night. Percent sunshine near 100% today, 20 to 30% for Monday, and the drying conditions excellent today, near Monday. Yesterday, the temperature in New York City ranged from low of 57 to a high of 75. This average is 66 and is 1 degree below normal. This gave us 0 additional heating degrees, making a total of 4,779 for the heating season. Degree days last season to this day total 4,641. The normal is 4,857. The forecast degree days for today is 2, for Monday 1, and for Tuesday 0. Today's normal high is 76, and the normal low is 59. The record high for today is 97, which was set in 1987, and the record low 42 in 1884.
Yeah.
Yesterday is
What?
You
take a nice healthy
Central
shit
Park.
Not particularly why. Did you?
Yeah, I did.
Good. I'm glad that you guys did. I know I'm going to be dying today.
Let me get this thing done, man. Everybody take a dinner.
Temperature 52, dew point 39, humidity 61, winds north 4 miles per hour, barometer 30.12 rising, with the sun. Ambrose down, winds northwest 12 knots, air temperature 55, wave height 2 feet. 20 miles south of Fire Island, the winds northwest 16 knots, air temperature 58, water temperature 58, wave height 3 feet. The metropolitan area, we have sunny skies, temperature in the mid-40s to the mid-50s. Southeast New York, sunny skies, temperature in the high 30s to the mid-40s. East of Pennsylvania, southern New Jersey, sunny skies, temperatures in the low 40s to the low 50s. Repeating a 7 a.m. reading, temperature 52, humidity 61. Winds north 4 miles per hour, barometer 30.12 rising, weather sunny. The marine forecast from Watchhill, Rhode Island to Montauk Point, Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey, extending 20 nautical miles offshore and including Long Island Sound. For today, winds northwest 15 to 20 knots, diminishing to 15 knots or less during the afternoon. Seas 2 to 4 feet on the ocean, 2 to 3 feet on the Sound. Tonight, winds light and variable. Seas 2 to 3 feet on the ocean and 2 feet or less on the Sound. And for Monday, winds becoming south, 15 knots, increase to 15 to 20 knots, and gusty during the afternoon. Seas building to 3 to 5 feet on the ocean and 2 to 4 feet on the Sound. There is a chance of showers late in the day, lowering visibility to between 1 and 3 miles. The forecast for south and wind from great south to gusts carrying out to 1,007. Today, northwest winds 15 to 25 knots, seas 4 to 8 feet. Tonight, northwest winds 15 to 20 knots early, becoming variable 15 knots or less later on. Seas 3 to 6 feet. For Monday, winds becoming south 10 to 20 knots, seas 3 to 6 feet. There's high tide at San Diego 4:60 this afternoon, at Willets Point 7:01 this morning and 7:40 this evening, and at the north side of Montauk 4:07 this afternoon.
Good.
No, I'm going to...
This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office here in New York City. The no-weather radio transmitters on KVO 35 and 162.55 megahertz at Rockefeller Center, and WXM 80 and 162.475 megahertz at Riverhead, Long Island.
Velocity?
3.9 knots.
3.9!
Large high-pressure systems over the Great Lakes this morning will build directly across the tri-state region. As such, we can expect mostly clear skies and rather pleasant temperatures to prevail today through tonight. Monday will see the weather taking a turn for the worse. A rapidly developing low-pressure system is forecast to approach us from the west.